Welcome to Toyama. Touch art switch wiring and installing onto the wall. Unboxing Toyama 6 module switch Touch Art T18HF115. This switch can control 5 loads for on off and one fan or dimming lights. Installation. Insert a screwdriver in the side slots of the switch and remove the glass. Safely keep the two mounting screws. Carefully look at this circuit diagram sticker at the back of the switch for wiring. Before starting the wiring, switch off the MCB. Identify the wires in the metal box on the wall. Ensure the phase wire size is 2.5 to 4 square mm and identify the neutral wires. Properly strip and twist all the wires for firm connections in the switch terminals. First, connect the phase wire and neutral wire to the terminals P and N in the switch. This will give 220 volts AC to the switch for operating. Switch on the MCB and check the switch is powered up and LEDs are glowing. Touch each key of the switch without glass and without connecting loads. Confirm all the keys are functioning properly. Switch off the MCB once again. Connect the other looped phase wire to other phase terminal. Connect one by one all the 5 load wires to the on-off terminals. Connect the fan or dimmer wire to the fan terminal. Neutrally push all the wires evenly to the back of metal box. Place the switch in position and gently push but with the surface of the use only fixing screws supplied along with the switch and fix the switch to the metal box and tighten them gently till the surface is aligned and firm with the wall. Now switch on the MCB once again. All LEDs will glow. Testing. Operate one by one all keys on the glass and check the loads are on off. On the fan button, on the fan or dimmer button, select the speed of the fan or level of dimming directly by touching the desired key. First key 25%, second key 50%, third key 75%, fourth key 100%. Color selection for touch keys. Factory default colors for on blue, for off amber. Touch and hold the center or master icon for 10 seconds. One after other, 7 colors will keep changing. When the desired color appears, leave the finger. The chosen color will be for on position if the master icon color was green during touch and hold. The chosen color will be for off position if the master icon color was red during touch and hold. Installation completed.